Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can train AI art model with Leonardo AI. So the first thing that you will have to do after logging in, you will just have to scroll down a little on your left panel until you see this advanced section, and then go ahead and click models and training, or model training section. So what you will have to do once you're here, you will just have to upload a data set of images that reflect the style or theme that you want. And then now what you will have to do is again click train new model, and then you will basically just have to choose from this category. So it really depends on you, but first you do have to upgrade first so that you will be able to train more. And then up and then again you will upload the data set of images, and then you will just have to name your model and add a brief description. And you could also adjust training settings such as number of iterations, style strength, and resolution. And then you could start the training process and wait for the completion, which may take some time depending on data set size. So after that, you will just have to test your model by generating a few images using prompts, and you could also make tweaks to your dataset or parameters for improved results. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And by the way, you could also use high quality, consistent images for training and keep the dataset focused on the style that you want the AI to learn. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.